Howdy, partner. Do you have old, boring house numbers? We're going to take these down and replace them with these backlit house numbers that are really, really cool and add an instant wow factor to modernize this home. We'll walk you through how we get them installed, use the templates, and most importantly, we'll show you a secret trick that allows these to light up all night without any wiring or anything else. This is a super easy DIY project. Check it out. We order these new house numbers through Amazon, and they come straight to your door with everything you need to get going. Now, the secret to them being wireless is they're actually solar powered, so they're going to suck in the sun's rays along the front and then emit light along the sides. They have an on-off switch as well as built-in hanging notches. Now, in the package, you're going to have instructions as well as a template to help you get everything set up, lined up, and hung on the wall. With these templates, lining it up is really easy. So you want to take your time, measure it out, make sure that it's nice and straight. And then they have supplied hardware, which has some anchors as well as some screws. Depending if you're screwing into wood or whatever else, you can use these or different screws and hardware. You can go straight into those paper templates. And then, once you get all up, ready to go. Once you get all your anchors in, you're going to go ahead and line them up with these holes. And just this easy. There we go. Can't wait to see us in the dark. Well, the sun is setting and these are just about ready to start turning on. These new house numbers look awesome. Now they're about an inch thick and the LEDs are really bright, so it kind of gives it this standoff glow. Really neat. They turn on their own as the sun is coming down, and they're going to run for hours until they run out of battery. So we'll see how long this lasts, and hopefully they give consistent lighting every night for a long time. We'll go ahead and link these in the description. It's my first time using this type of solar house number. However, I think it's really cool because it gives a nice modern update. It's just took us just a couple minutes to get done, and it was a very reasonable price point. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe, because we do a lot of home updates, kind of doing things like this, easy, approachable projects that you can also check out and you can use to give your house that wow factor. Again, I hope this was helpful, and put any questions in that comment box. Remember, all these projects, if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.